Hey everybody, welcome to the Smoke Shack. Today we're going to be doing a pork tenderloin. The other day I'd gone to the grocery store and I ran into my brother Ricky from the meat stall, and he was telling me that I had to do a pork tenderloin. So I bought one. I'm going to do that today. So stay tuned. Alright, so we're going to be doing the pork tenderloin. We seasoned that with salt, pepper, and garlic powder. And we're going to put that on. Hold on. Alright, so we're going to put this pork tenderloin on here on indirect heat. And we're going to let that cook till it gets to about 140. I'm using apple wood for the smoke. I'm going to do this indirect till it gets to 140, then we're going to pull it off. So stick around. Alright, so we're cooking these at about 350. And we're going to take them off when they get to 138 to 140, because we'll have some carryover on the temperature, and I don't want them to overcook, so I'm going to take care of that. We may sear them just a little bit just before we pull them off, and then we'll just take a look at them and see how they're doing. Alright, so it's real important to stay close to these because these things cook really fast, so don't go wandering off or you'll burn it up. So stick with it, keep your eye on it. Alright, catch you later. Alright, so we are about 125 right now, and we're just taking a peek at this, and man, that is looking beautiful. Golden color from the smoke. Just a beautiful looking pork loin. So we'll just let that go back. You may have noticed I have my vent closed here. It's because I'm getting a lot of leakage on my top from having the wires going in there, so I used to just close that to compensate. Alright, so we're just going to let that sear up for a little bit. It is looking really good. Man, it looks beautiful. We are at, it's about 138 internal. So we're just going to let it sear for a little bit here. Alright, so we are about done with this one. So what we did here was we cooked indirect for most of it. I seared for a little while and then brought it back over to indirect to finish it off. It's 138, 139 internal temperature right now, so I'm going to go ahead and pull that off because we'll get carryover on that. And it's feeling good. So we're just going to take that off here. Alright, so this is very, as you can see on the board, it is very juicy. So I'm going to cut. Ugh, it is falling apart. You know, I gotta say, I was not a believer when Ricky told me that this was just an incredibly tender piece of meat. So I'm going to go ahead and try this. Alright, so I'm going to try this, see how this tastes here. Oh. Incredible smoke on it. You can taste the salt, the garlic, and the pepper. Truly, I will eat this more often. I had no idea this would be so good. I always thought it would be dry. Oh, man. That is absolutely wonderful. You got to try this. So what we did was we grilled it indirect, smoked it indirect with at about 350, between 325 350 to the internal temperature of 138, and then we pulled it off and let it rest for a little while. Get the carryover. Seasoned with salt, pepper, garlic, salt, and the whole thing only took like 15 minutes to cook. It was really fast, but the smoke flavor just penetrated this deeply. It's incredible. The flavor is immense. It's a treat, a joy, a meat treat basically. So check this out. Alright, so thanks for watching, guys. Get you some pork tenderloin. It's incredible. Ricky, thank you for telling me about this. Check out Ricky's YouTube page at the Meat Stall. I'll put a link down below. This was really, really good. I'm a believer. So check that out. Go get you some. And talk to you guys later. I love you. Keep looking up. God bless every one of you guys. And talk to you later.